This is Yasar from TechSolutionZ, and today I'm going to show you how to set up QEMU and KVM virtualization on Zorin OS 18. If you want to run Windows or Linux virtual machines with top-level performance and a clean graphical interface, this setup is exactly what you need. Since Zorin 18 is built on Ubuntu 24.04, everything integrates smoothly without any extra tweaks. We'll begin by installing the core virtualization components. QEMU handles the actual virtual machine emulation, KVM activates hardware acceleration, and libvirt manages the whole environment behind the scenes. Along with that, we install Virt-Manager, which gives you a simple and powerful GUI to create and manage your VMs. Once these packages are installed, we enable the libvirtd service so it can run constantly in the background and take care of VM networking, storage, and performance. After that, your user account needs permission to control virtualization, so adding yourself to the libvirt and KVM groups is important. A quick log out and log in finishes this part. When you're back in your session, Zorin is already fully prepared for virtualization. The default NAT network is automatically active, so any VM you create will have working internet out of the box. You only need a bridged network if you want your virtual machines to appear as separate devices on your LAN. Most people won't need it. Now, launch Virt-Manager from your Applications menu. Once it opens, connect to the QEMU KVM system session and start creating a new virtual machine. Select your ISO, assign CPU cores, RAM, and disk space. If you're installing Windows 10 or 11, make sure to choose UEFI firmware and mount the VirtIO driver ISO so Windows can detect the optimized storage and network devices. Linux installs work smoothly without extra steps. Once your VM is created, Virt-Manager becomes your control center. You can start and stop VMs, take snapshots, adjust performance settings, and manage hardware options like CPU type, disk caching, and display drivers. Because KVM acceleration is enabled, the virtual machine performance will feel much closer to a native install than with traditional emulation. It's a very stable and efficient setup, especially on Zorin OS where the desktop environment is already polished and lightweight. And that wraps up this guide. You now have a fully working QEMU KVM virtualization setup on Zorin OS 18, ready for Windows apps, development environments, gaming tests, or exploring new Linux distros safely. If you enjoyed the tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe to TechSolutionZ, and share it with anyone switching to Zorin.